Well, hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. I really hope you can hear me right now because I have absolutely no clue what you guys are hearing. Because if you didn't know, my PC is broken, so my audio doesn't come from the PC. So I have to have a pair of headphones connected to hear anything through my PC. So right now can't hear anything. And my microphone is in the way as well. And my phone just died. My one and only flashlight. So how are you guys doing? Personally, I'm doing terrible because nothing is working for me. I don't have any flashlights and right now I can't see anything. Mate, I do actually have a flashlight. Have the world's coolest pen ever invented. That is a multi-purpose thing. It's both a pen and a flashlight. Probably the best pen I've ever bought. It was actually a gift. I love it. So, now I can actually hear what's going on in game. However, my cable is way too short. So it isn't working anyways. Maybe this game has no audio. I don't know. Can you guys hear anything? Except for me, because I sure can't. So what are we going to name ourselves? Let's do WHEZLA. New. Maybe career. Let's do settings. Sounds. Well, let's just hope that you guys can hear stuff because this game has no master volume. Career, I think. Right, as well, main menu, our settings, controls, keyboard, steering wheel. Why can't we press apply? settings. Okay, you don't have to hit apply, or it works as standard. Description: training tasks to learn how to start off and shift gears. This task is optional and you may skip it. Perform this task to get the training achievement. Start. We're going all in, boys. We're starting off from standard. Okay, this is interesting. Well, oh. Should probably turn my steering wheel on. Holy fuck, the force feedback is terrible. Press button 3. The red button 3. It's important to wear your belt before you start to drive. So belt up, press red button left 3. I'm in 3rd gear now. Like maybe that wasn't it. Well, where is that then? Oh. Right one. To start engine. Can you guys hear sound? Because I can't. Holy crap, the force feedback. Force feedback? No setting for that. No, okay. It's fine. Continue. Which is red button right? Oh, hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Let's put the key in neutral. Okay. I have no audio, so this is shitty. I think I might actually have broken that that gives me an extra 3 inches of headphone, which is the only reason I'm using it. So I'm going to try to connect my headphones directly to the no, don't want to off. Now we've got going. Should probably put in first. I don't see any rev limiter. Alright, 2. What I did? I don't know, but can you hear the force feedback? And the in-game steering wheel doesn't follow at all, so it's like driving a bus. My roommate's interrupting as usual. And why is there no audio? Oh. Clutch, then put in what is gas? Red button, right 2. Oh. Oh, come on, I don't want this dumb achievement. This is so annoying. I went into second gear multiple times. Red button 3, or hold red button left 1, clutch and red button 2. Gas. Clutch and red button 2. Put in first. Oh, it's a lot less heavy when driving. the junction, press steering button, holy, the steering is a lot worse than I thought. What? They said turn left. Simple exercise. No, my damn. Well, I didn't know that. Simple exercise. Yes, exactly. Red button 3. Hold the red left bumper. Left there. Press 2. Perfect gas. Then clutch up. This. Second gear, shift left, perfect. Oh, this game has absolutely no traction. Oh, what a nice organ. Press red button 3, right button 1. No. Left button bumper. One, release the clutch, push the red button 2. Brake early. Stop the junction. Go full. Oh, I turned the engine off. Right bumper and brake. What? Come on. Yeah, very simple exercise. Red button 3, red button 1, hold 2 seconds. Right bumper, press red button 1, hold clutch, stop from no. 0, we're in gear 4, this is gear number 2. Full throttle, going past the first yellow sign, then hold left bumper. This is obviously no speed, I think. I don't know, maybe most cars don't. What? Perfect, shift into neutral gear. Red button 1. Which one is start? Left. Red button right. New achievement training. 1 star. Perfect. Not a chance I'm doing that again. Anyways guys, I think this will be it for this episode. Have a good one, and no, hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, and I'm out. Wrong button. I was supposed to end recording, not press quit. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and have a good one, and I'm out.